I'm just filming a video, like having a fucking mental breakdown because I can't say none of my words. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be, if I'm honest, but I'll let you know. Hey yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now what I've got to open up with you guys today is a pair of Jordan 1s, and these are a pair of the Denim women exclusives. I know, another women's exclusive, but they've just been hitting them out of the park recently and I can't resist. If you do go ahead and watch this video and think, do you know what, I need these in my life, they are actually readily sitting on sneakers, so you can go pick these up. I think a lot of the smaller sizes are sold out, but the bigger ones you're going to be blessed. And these are going up to a 9.5, so if some of the mandem who can fit into those sizes want to get in on this, there you go. But enough with the chat, let's get into it. As most of you should know, then we only mess with those real-time reviews. I've got the box here, fresh to be opened up, straight from Nike, so let's go ahead and open her up. I actually haven't seen like any chat about these. I know my girl picked them up, but she ain't posted them, so I ain't seen no one with these, and I don't think these are even out in the States yet, so these are firsts. I'm a little gassed about these, I can't lie. I don't know if these are going to be too girly for me, but we'll get onto that later, because I might do a thing on these, you know what I mean? Looking at the box then, we just have that red and black OG lift top box. We've got that Nike branding swoosh detailing on the front and pretty much round the whole box. There's really nothing else to chat about. We're going to have the sizing on the front as always, and in these I got a 4.5. Let's go. Oh shit, I like that. That's a little 90s vibe, you know. That's a little 90s vibe. Here for it. Inside we've got some dope tissue paper that's definitely giving off some 90s or Versace vibes. We've got the rope chain here, some bamboo gold earrings with the Jumpman. It's kind of a sign of what's to come, but nah, this is dope. Solid pair. They are a bit girly. They are very girly, but we might be able to do something about that. It's definitely doing bits. I don't know if it's for the mandem. Normally I'm like, anyone can wear it. Kicks is kicks. I don't know if these are for the mandem. I don't know. There was some controversy when they had that picture and it was like women's exclusive, and then they put a man with bare hairy legs in the picture and all the girls then were like, I thought you said this was for us, bruv. These are growing me. The more I just look at them, they're growing on me. I feel like, because Jordan 1s come all like this, it's a bit like, bruv, like, sort your life out, do you know what I'm saying? But once you get it in, swap these laces out or whatever, these could be some hard little joints. Jumping into the details then, we have this wash denim upper. I like the way that they've done this, that it's not super neat. You can kind of see it's meant to look raggedy, do you know what I mean? Like you just cut up some jeans kind of vibe. I'm most definitely here for it. These they give me a throwback vibe, a little 90s. It's got a little bit of 90s in these crap, I think. I think that's what it is. You can see that we've got the Air Jordan and the swoosh detail branding, again, all in that denim. We also have some white tumbled leather. The quality on this is super nice. Honestly, have not skimped. I really appreciate the leather on these, especially with the price going up and all this business. You want it to at least feel like you're getting a premium product, and you don't always, but here, nah, honestly, leather is top notch. It then goes into this denim tongue, in which we can see that Nike Air branding in that baby blue, just patterns it all together nicely. Obviously, Jordan 1s are long as hell and they want you to lace it. I don't know why Jordan 1s, I don't know. I don't want to lace any kick if I'm honest, but Jordan 1s, you're going to have to lace it yourself. We do have these white laces that are already in there, and you can see these detailing in kind of like in a bamboo earring rocking kind of vibe. On this one, we've got the Jordan brand, and on the other one, it just says Jordan instead of the Jumpman, but we've got branding on there. One thing that I really like is in the eye stage, you actually kind of have some embroidery on there. It's definitely giving that jean jacket vibe, do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's a nice little touch there. And then we've also got one more extra, which is this, of course, swing tang, again in the denim with this red Nike Air branding. We do have these white laces in at the minute, but you can swap them out because we do have a spare pair of these red laces. And I feel like at first you wouldn't look at this kick and think red laces, but actually it could work. It could be a little touch. Jumping down to that midsole then, we have this white midsole with this baby blue outsole poking through. Leads nicely to that Jordan 1 sole. Pretty standard, pretty regular. Nothing to chat about. Nice baby blue colour. Definitely feeling it. If we want to head inside, we've got this white inner sock liner that is in kind of a canvas material. I feel like they're trying to make ones a little more comfier. We don't really have a whole bunch of leather inside here, so hopefully the comfort's going to be a little bit, you know, nicer than usual. We have this red inner sole with just Nike Air branding that's kind of in this gold color. I guess it's sizing. Which, okay, even though I moan about laces, at least I can just try these on real quick. Do you know what I'm saying? I hate lacing. Why? Why is Jordan... I mean, I know why, but why? Just lace them for me, bro, because I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm gonna make someone else lace these for me. I can't lace. I can't do it. Let's talk about size then, and I would definitely recommend staying true to size for your women's size on these. And let me explain that. In UK, a men's 5 is the equivalent to same as a women's 5, but I feel like the fit is kind of just slightly different. I don't know if it's just because it's slimmer or what it is. I don't know. I'm normally a 5 in a men's, but I do have to go down to a 4.5 in a women's. So just keep that in mind if you are going to go ahead and pick these up. For the girliness of them, I just want to note though, like when you're looking down, cold. Honestly, cold. I thought, oh, I don't know about the bamboo thing. Even though it's fly, I didn't know if I was going to enjoy it on my feet, if that makes sense. But looking down, cold. Absolutely cold. So now I've had the rundown, let's get into it. What am I saying with these kicks? And I'm actually finding it really hard to place these because I don't know. When I first opened the box, I was like, I don't know. But then when I got them out and actually kept looking at them, I was like, these are low-key fire. And I feel like when they're laced up or on feet, it would have fit. They're honestly gonna look cold. The quality on it is actually really, really good. Materials are dope. I see absolutely no QC issues. We get the nice little extras on here, laces, all of that good stuff. So I don't think I can really do anything else but just kind of sit them at an 8.2. Alright then guys, that's it for my little roundup of these Jordan 1 denims. As always, be sure to leave your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know, I don't know, if you pick them up, if you're in the States, are you gonna go for them? Because I'm pretty sure they ain't out there yet, which is a bit mad because I always feel like we're a little bit behind, but I know you always say the other way. You always want what you can't have in it. That's the sneaker world. You know, as always, you can come chat to me on all the other platforms that I appear. Just type in @ShayCrate and you're most likely to find me. Last but not least, make sure to subscribe. Not only are we on the road to 1K, but you need to subscribe if you want to know what's fly, you want to know what's hot, you want to know what to pay resale for. If what's worth your money, then you've got to subscribe. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. I'm annoying myself today. I'm really annoying myself. Don't get twisted, I'm still the shit though, but like I'm just vexing myself. Ayo guys, welcome. I'm laughing, for fuck's sake. Ayo guys, I need to stop. As most of you should know then. Fuck's sake. This is embarrassing. And they are clean, I can't even lie. I was getting moody before because I thought, oh, they look girly, but like, my bubblegum joints look girly and I still make it work. Nah, these are fire. I take it back, these are fire. Sorry, I'm just selling on Depop as I do this. We hustling while we hustling, do you know what I'm saying? I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money.